Today, I'm going to teach you how to see conversation history in Perplexity AI. This is incredibly useful when you need to revisit past searches, review answers you've received, or continue working on previous research threads without losing context. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. This step is essential because your conversation history is tied to your account and won't be accessible without logging in. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on History. This is your gateway to accessing all the conversations and searches you've had with Perplexity AI in the past. Once you click History, you'll see a comprehensive list of your previous threads and conversations displayed on your screen. These threads represent individual search sessions or research topics you've explored. Each thread is labeled with a title that typically reflects the main topic or question you asked. To dive deeper into any specific conversation, simply click on the thread title that interests you. This will open up the full history of that particular conversation, allowing you to review all the questions you asked, the answers Perplexity provided, and any follow-up queries you made during that session. This is particularly helpful when you need to reference specific information or pick up where you left off. Now, if you're looking for something specific among potentially dozens or hundreds of past conversations, there's a handy feature to help you. Look at the top of the screen where you'll find a search bar. You can use this search bar to filter your threads by typing in keywords related to what you're looking for. This makes finding that one particular conversation much faster than scrolling through everything manually. Additionally, Perplexity offers even more ways to organize and view your history. In the top toolbar, you'll notice options for media, apps, or documents. Clicking on any of these will filter your history to show only threads that included those specific types of content. For example, if you click Media, you'll see all conversations where images, videos, or other media were involved. This categorization helps you quickly locate conversations based on the type of content you were working with. And there you have it. You now have full access to your Perplexity AI conversation history and can easily navigate through past threads, search for specific topics, and organize your research however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.